Hello and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. We got a really cool build-off scheduled here and I hope that you participate. It's open to everyone, whether you're a subscriber or not. YouTube builders, anybody who wants to participate is cool, all are invited. Completion date is October 30th and post a video or send me a picture if you don't have YouTube. Well, that's cool. Now here are the rules. Gotta have some rules when you're playing the game, right? You have to build a hearse. That's right, you have to build a hearse. What better Halloween car? You can build a hot rod. You can build something really cool with a lot of cool graphics. You can go crazy. You can build wacky. You can build luxurious. Something really cool or something really way out there.
I love how the moonlight shines over the mausoleum.
So like I said, you have to build a hearse. You can't use an existing hearse. Now you can use it for parts if you want to, but you can't use an existing hearse. That's just one of the stipulations, you know. You can use any casting you want to, except a hearse. So that's, you know, kind of laying the ground lines there. I want you to see what kind of crazy things you can come up with. The more creepy and wild, the better, for sure. So use your imagination. Let's have some fun with this. Make it really, really creepy and make it wild. Post in the comments section of this video your intention to participate. I want to see how many folks we can get to do this. Like I said, if you have a YouTube channel, you can post a YouTube video. Not a problem there. We'll put links to things here in your comments section and stuff like that. But if you don't have a YouTube page, just send me a photograph or a short video and I'll put it in mine. And at the end when we go to do the reveal and everything. There's no prizes or anything except bragging rights. If you have any questions, contact me at diecastgraveyard@gmail.com. Eventually, I'm going to need to get your email address so I can have a complete list of all the people that are participating and how to get a hold of you if I need to. So that'd be really awesome if you could. Let's have some fun with this, folks. This is going to be great. Thank you for watching. I hope to hear from you. This is going to be a really, really cool build. Like I say, you can use any casting you want except an existing hearse. Let's see your crazy, wacky, creepy ideas for what's going to happen with this build. And hey, you got more than enough time. You got the whole month of August, the whole month of September, and the whole month of October. So you've got plenty of time to do this. But the quicker you tell me that you're going to participate, the better. My name is Paul with Diecast Graveyard. Let's have fun and show me your creepy side. Cheers.